Alright, so this is the third 8 count, and this is where it starts to get tough, okay? So from where we left off, we were at the side hop, okay? So, this is actually simpler than it looks, but it's still pretty difficult, okay? So what it is after this is, you're going to do loose legs, okay? But you're going to do it towards imagine that way is the front, okay? So you're going to do it with the usual, this leg first, okay? So you're here, so you're going to go straight into loose legs. So you're going to do loose legs, okay? So what you're going to do afterwards is you're going to, you're going to do a lunge tap. Okay, so what it is basically is a loose legs to lunge tap to loose legs. It's going to go like this. Loose legs, lunge tap, loose legs. Okay? But you're going to go from facing here, okay, to facing the front. Okay? Now, let me tell you the specific angles that you should be at, okay, by in each step of the way. So when you do the loose legs, you're facing this way, obviously, okay? So you're going to be, this is what it's going to look like. If I was facing the front instead of facing here, this is what it's going to look like, okay? I'm going to go loose legs, okay, loose legs, and then I'm going to face diagonally this way. That's if I was facing the front, okay? So we're not, though. We're facing the side, so it's going to go loose legs, boom, okay? We're going to be facing that corner, that diagonal, okay, with a lunge tap, okay? Remember, this is the lunge tap. This is from the footwork style course, okay? So this is it. You just lunge forward and you tap, okay? So it is, let's do it from here. 8 loose legs, lunge tap, okay? After you do the lunge tap, you do loose legs to the front. Same leg that does the loose legs, okay? Pretty much it starts with the same leg. So it's going to start with this one. So you're going to go loose legs, lunge tap, loose legs, okay? There's a lot of pivoting going on with the back foot of the loose leg. See this pivot right here? This is going to happen a lot in this little combination, okay? So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and. Okay? Okay, so it is ball change, heel step, lunge tap, ball change, heel step. Okay? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and. Alright? That's going to be a little bit difficult, but it'd be much more difficult if it wasn't broken down at all. So just practice on it, okay? And you'll get it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and. Okay, so after the heel step, you bring it back, right? 5, and you're going to lunge forward again. 6, like this. Okay? 6 with your leg back here. Alright? 5 from the top of the third 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Alright? So you put your weight over that knee like this. 6. Okay, not like this. Not like that, but 6, like that, okay? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay? 6, and then you're gonna do the other side like this. Step back, and then lunge to the front, but with this leg behind. So it's 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So let's try it from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Loose legs, lunge tap, loose legs, lunge to the front, back, lunge to the front. Okay? So it's like this. Okay, your leg is behind here, so it makes like a 4 shape, like a shape of a 4. Okay, like that. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? I'll do it one more time slow and one more time faster, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Side hop, loose legs, lunge tap, loose legs, lunge to the front, back, back, lunge to the front, okay? Now let me do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now a little bit faster, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right? I hope you're ready to do it to music. Let's do it.